Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta bolognese. Let's start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground meat, which can be beef, pork, or a delicious combination of both. For the aromatic base, prepare 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. Don't forget 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and finally, 1 cup each of milk or cream and red wine. These form the heart of our rich sauce. Now let's build that incredible flavor. First, finely dice your onion, carrots, and celery to create the classic sofrito. Sauté these vegetables gently in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are beautifully softened and fragrant. Next, add your ground meat to the pan, breaking it up as it browns. Ensure it's thoroughly cooked through, then carefully drain any excess fat to keep our sauce from becoming greasy. With the meat browned, it's time to deepen the flavors. Pour in 1 cup of red wine, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pan. Then, stir in your 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. For a touch of creamy richness, add 1 cup of milk or cream and a small pinch of nutmeg. Now, let this beautiful sauce simmer gently for at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing all the flavors to meld and develop. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. While your sauce finishes, cook your favorite pasta shape until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain it and toss it directly with the rich bolognese sauce. This helps the pasta absorb all those wonderful flavors. Serve immediately, garnish generously with freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of fresh basil. Enjoy your homemade, comforting, and absolutely delicious pasta bolognese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.